I'm proud of it. I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and I'm proud of it. Now you want to shoot with the bed at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name, yo.
So heading over to Pinterest, we're looking for a new hairstyle. I'm looking for a short curly bob, but in body wave. And I found this style. Yo, she ate that down. She is beautiful, by the way. But look at this hair. Yes. But I was like, wait a minute. I'm not about to do all that work. So we went ahead and hopped over to Alipearl, and I was looking for a wig where I didn't have to cut it. I didn't have to bleach or plug no knots. And I'm like, this is the perfect bob wig to execute this style. So let's get into it. All right, so our packaging is here. We're going to quickly unbox it. Look how beautiful this box is. Go ahead, Alipearl. I see you, okay? So this is the stuff that comes inside of it. You're going to get your wig, of course. The melt band. You're getting a edge brush in case you want to do your baby hairs. You're also going to get an HD wig cap. And you're going to also get a silk bag, which you can store your wig in. All right, so this is 250% in density, and it is 12 inches. The wig comes secure in a hairnet. And y'all, if y'all see me looking crazy in the bag, it's because I'm thoroughly examining this wig. I'm like, especially I was scared to look at the lace. I said, please don't let it be a catfish. Y'all, look at this freaking lace. Do y'all see what I am seeing? Okay. Don't even play with them, okay? Straight up scalp. This is it on the back of my hand. You can see my hand stored HD for your girl. This is the overall construction of the wig. This is a 13x4 lace frontal, and it does come with 2 combs on each side, a comb at the nape, drawstrings, and the elastic band, okay? So it's definitely gonna be secure. All right, so let's finally put her on, y'all. Look at this. Look at this freaking goodness. Do y'all see what I'm seeing? Scalp for days. Like, don't play with them. Look at the bounce, the body, the shine. Look at this, y'all. Straight out the pack. First thing I'm gonna do is cut the lace off. I was so hyped because, like, y'all, they sat there and laid this wig down to perfection. It's hot comb, it is set. I don't really have to do anything, so that's why we're just going into cut off the lace, because normally before I cut off the lace, I have to hot comb, I have to wax and all that stuff. I ain't had to do nothing. When I say nothing. Now, this wig is big, okay? When I say it's big, it's for my big head girls, okay? So I am gonna have to cut around my ear tabs to make sure it fits ear to ear. So I just, make a part and cut it off on both sides. So now it's time to secure her down. I'm just going to go in with my Kiss Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. You can do how many layers you like. I am doing 2. I'm using my Andish blow dryer to dry this down till it's tacky. Once your finger is kind of getting stuck, you can go ahead and pull that down. And look at this melted. Look at this just disappearing right into my forehead. Don't play. Now you're going to do the same exact step that I just walked you guys through on both sides. I did not tint the lace. Right now I'm just letting the makeup that's already on my forehead do its job. If I need some tinting spray or cream foundation later, I will go in and add it. Y'all, I did leave a little bit lace on one side of my wig. So if you do see it wrinkling on one side, it's because it's too much lace. Make sure you cut off enough lace so you won't have that issue. This side looks flawless though. Don't even play. Look at that. It's giving scale. Now I'm going in to melt that lace even more. I'm just taking some got2b glue and spraying it on the outside of the lace. This also helps, any areas that's not all the way adhered down. And I'm just using a comb to reinforce everything down. As you can see, we do need some cream foundation, so I'm gonna take this and we're just gonna pat it on the outside of the lace, and it's gonna blend everything down. Okay, now you need your melt band. Okay, your melt band is your best friend, so take it, make sure you put it on tight, and you're gonna allow this to sit for 10 minutes. That is all you need with lace spray. So while my lace was melting, I went in and got me some Dunkins. That's why I had my bonnet on. I did not want my curls dropping or anything, so I just threw in the bonnet, ran through the drive-through. So look at this goodness, y'all. Didn't I tell you it was gonna melt? This is wild. I'm obsessed with this freaking wig. So we just gonna go ahead and take our wide tooth comb to comb it out. I wanted to see what the curls were giving straight out the pack. Y'all know I like my curls a certain way, so we just playing with it. I'm rotating between my wide tooth comb, my rat tail comb, and my unbrush just to see what the curls give. I love the feel of this hair. It was super soft. I did get some tangling and some shedding during this process as well, but look at those freaking curls. And I'm gonna show you guys the back, what it looks like once I detangle it. Look how full and bouncy this wig is. All right, so I'm going in to see if I can work with the part that they have provided me. You may have to, tweak it to your liking. I did not like how this part looked. It was too far up for my liking. So I'm like, scratch that. We're going to start all over and we're going to create the part and do it the way that I feel like it frames my face best. So I just moved it down a little bit, took a little bit of wax, and just pretty much relayed everything back down. So I did go ahead and cut some baby hairs into the unit. Let me show you guys what I did. All right, taking y'all back to the original parting that came with the wig, I went ahead and cut my baby hairs at an angle and curled it using my Babyliss Pro. And then I took some got2b glue spray on the edge brush and swoop. So this determined whether I was going to leave that part there, and I decided no. So that's pretty much where I got those baby hairs from, but I went ahead and trimmed them up even shorter, took some more of that spray and swooped it to my perfection. I switched my part in a little bit because it was a little bit off. And then once I formed my baby hair to my liking, I sprayed some got2b glue spray on top of it and dried it down. All right, so these are the curls, and y'all know I'm so picky when it comes down to my curls. I do not like my curls facing towards my face. I love the way it sits when it frames away from my face, so I decided to go in and recurl the entire unit away from my face. Like I said, this step is optional. You don't have to do it. You can leave the curls exactly how it is and you are done. But y'all know me, I am picky. So as far as the curls as well, once I got done curling them, I pinned them up so they can set. And then I went back and forth between my wide tooth comb, my rat tail combs to help shape and form those curls. I do not like tight curls. I love I like them in the middle. So like a loose body wave curl. That's what I was going for. So I definitely loosened them up a lot. Okay, a lot. I went in also to like trim up any areas that, I feel like wasn't falling the way I wanted it to fall. I went in and put these clips in to keep my bang area while I worked on the other half of the unit. But y'all, I'm obsessed with this. I love the recreation that I did. So yeah, I'm gonna rate this unit a 10 out of motherfucking 10. I'm obsessed with it. I love how it turns out. So yeah, I'll be sure to link all the information in regards to the wig down in the description section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.